Hi everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen and we are here to solve another question on SQL and today is day 55 of solving 100 questions on SQL. So the question we are going to solve today is flags per video and this question got asked in Netflix and Google. So the question is for each video, find how many unique users flagged it. A unique user can be identified using the combination of their first name and last name. Do not consider rows in which there is no flag ID. Okay, so let's see the table. So what we have to do in this question, we have these columns. So first name, user, last name, video ID, and flag ID. We have to find out unique users based on their first and last name. And then we have to find out like how many unique users flagged each video. Okay, so yeah. And there is also one thing mentioned in the question that we do not have to consider rows in which there is no flag ID. Because if you see in few of the rows, there is empty value in flag ID column. So we do not have to consider those rows. Okay. So first of all, let's put that condition where flag ID is not null. Okay. Once we run this, we will not rows. Now it is not empty. Yeah. Now next thing what we have to do, we have to merge these two together. First name and last name. Okay. Because we have to take unique names and then we have to find out how many unique users has flagged the video. So to do that, what we are going to do, we are going to use concat. So I'm going to use concat. Then I'm going to write down user, first name, comma, user, last name. This is as full name. Okay, let's run this. Let's take everything first. Start. Yeah. So we are getting a user first name and user last name together here, like Richard, Hassan, Mark, May. Okay. So we are getting these values, but there is one problem. If you see in this row, first name is not mentioned, but last name is mentioned. But when we are not getting the last name, we should get the last name. This is again going to be a unique user, right? Let's just like this here as well. In this row, first name is not mentioned, but last name is mentioned. The last name Johnson should be here. Okay, so to do that, what we are going to do, as there are null values, so that is why it is not taking in consideration in concat. So what we are going to do, we are going to use coalesce. Coalesce is like if else. Okay, if not this, then this. So we are going to write down coalesce. I hope the spelling is correct. And then I'm going to write down, take the user name, user first name, and if it is not there, then take the empty value. That is empty string. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing here as well. That if last name is mentioned, then it's fine. If it is not mentioned, then take the empty string. Okay, now let's run this. So if you see now, we have this Lopez and the first name is missing, but we are taking the last name and it is coming in the full name column, right? So yeah, this is resolved. Now we have first name, last name, video ID, flag ID, and full name. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to use common table expression with CTES. And then I'm going to write down select full name, video ID from CT. Because we have flag ID in all of the rows. So we know that these video got flagged. So I'm going to take these two columns. I have to write select. Let's run this now. So we have full name and we have the video ID. Now what we have to do, we have to show like all of these users has flagged these videos, because if let me consider flag ID as well so that you can understand better. So just because we have flag ID value in all of the rows, so it means all of these video got flagged and these are the users who flagged these videos. Now we have to find for each unique videos how many users has flagged the video. One user can flag multiple time as well, so we have to find unique user. Okay, how many unique users has flagged the video? So we are going to do group by, because whenever we have to do something unique, we use group by. So we are going to do group by on video ID because we have to do it for unique video ID. Okay. And then we have to do what? We have to count the number of users who has flagged the video. So I'm going to write down count full name, and then I'm going to remove these. Okay. And I'm going to put video ID in front. Okay. Now let's run this. Okay, so video ID is this, and number of user flagged this video ID is 7. But as I said, it can happen that one user can flag the same video multiple times. So we have to consider unique users. Okay, unique full name. So I'm going to put distinct here. Now let's run this. So yeah, now you see for this video ID, the number of users that unique users who has flagged this video is 2. Same for this. For this, it's 5 and so on. So this is what we have to find out, and we are done with our query. So now let's see the expected output. So this is the expected output, and it is matching with our answer, right? So yeah, this is it. Now let's submit it, and our solution got accepted. So this is the solution to this problem, where what we did, one important thing that we learned, that as there was null values in few of the rows of first name and last name, so it was not getting concat properly. So that is why we used police that to replace the null value with an empty string, so that it will be in consideration if only either first name or last name is present. That is one thing we do. Other things are pretty simple. We have done it multiple times in another videos. Like we had to find out for each unique video. So for that, we did group by. Then we did the count on full name. And from that, we selected the unique users. So for that, we use the keyword distinct. Okay. And like this, we solved our problem. So yeah, this is it. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. If you have more solution to this problem, you can put that too in the comment section. I hope you like this video. If you like it, keep liking. Do not forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.